I love Spain so far.
Yes, sobrang ganda ng Spain.
Kailangan may lusot. Ay, ano naman tanggapin pa na ng pangako dito.
Never goodbye, it's only hasta la vista. Hasta la vista, baby!
From the beautiful island of Mallorca. It's 8 in the morning. Kakadak lang ng ating ship dito sa Mallorca port. And again, we were going a short excursion today. We will watch yung flamenco. And some tapas on the side. Visiting Palma, yung kanilang capital. Today is our last day. Tomorrow, pagising namin, we will be in Barcelona na. And disembarking the ship. Sad. 9 days swiftly pass by. Ganun talaga. Parang ang haba ng 9 days, pero it's not. Well, I'm seeing Captain on the bridge. Hala. Yun ang tinatawag nilang bridge. Last Shorex today! Here in the beautiful island of
Mallorca.
1/6 lang pala ang size nito comparing kay Ibiza. So medyo mas maliit.
Ang Mallorca?
Yes. According to Google.
Thank you very much. Here you have, madam.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.
Here's our bus. I seated in the front. Kasi ang layo na nila Hazel. Sila sa dulong-dulo. Sila sa dulong-dulo. It's actually for the disabled. Pag meron daw passenger na may wheelchair, then I have to move. Sabi ko, yes, no problem. Reading some information and looking at the map. Sa daming information, you cannot really absorb them all. At hindi mo agad lahat mag-visualize right there and there. Pocket Wi-Fi from SMB Travel. So I use this every time we are out of the ship. Pagka nasa ship naman kami, we have Wi-Fi access.
During some moments of the excursion, you will hear me not all the whole time speaking in Spanish. First of all, dear party, before I go on, is the volume with the microphone okay? All the whole Isle of Mallorca is much smaller than Barcelona, and you make that possible. It's obvious because of our location. Mallorca remains exactly at the heart of the Mediterranean Sea. Neighborhood called Jonquet and St. Catherine. Okay, that was the area where fishermen and sailors, the enemies of Mallorca, they were till the end of the 19th century pirates. On your left hand side with canyons, this is where our politicians, they work, local politicians, they work for our security, at least in theory. And this other nice building also in Gothic style, La Lonja.
That's the cathedral. Guys, yun yung kanilang cathedral. Agua, no? Potable. Daw pwedeng inumin. Ito na naman po tayo sa mga oranges or lemons or, you know, na hindi naman pala kinakain. Etong garden na daw na to is they call the Sunken Garden. And this has been in existence for 700 years. Imagine. And it feels like daw parang a Muslim garden. Medyo naman, a sort of. So dito sa Mediterranean, ang one thing common na narinig ko sa mga stories ng ating tour guide, each city or island are building a sort of, parang ganito, to protect their city or place from enemies. Enemies daw nila dito are pirates. Kasi nga nakapaikot sila sa sea, no? So, yun ang mga binabantayan nila. Medyo elevated yung ating nilalakaran.
Yes. Alam mo ba, I love it. Yung mga gantong lakaran.
Oo. Kasi maganda yung pathways, tapos maganda yung nakikita mo, tapos yung weather is cool. So parang it all jive together. Natutuwa ako sa mga nakikita ko. I love Spain so far.
Yes, sobrang ganda ng Spain.
Pero alam mo, kailangan natin makita rin yung Madrid eh. Saka yung Valencia.
Tapos napansin ko, Barcelona. Parang Barcelona. Ganun sila mag-pronounce, no?
Ah,
Valencia. Valencia.
Oo, medyo may
yung C nila parang TH, Ibiza.
Oo,
Ibiza. Parang ganun. Hindi ako maganda mag-pronounce, guys. Pero ganun yung naririnig namin. Beautiful. Espanya.
Llegaste a mí como una luz de primavera.
Sikat daw ensaymada dito. Favorite ko yung ensaymada, bibili ako. This is plain probably. May naman sa loob na ensaymada. Oh, this is so big ensaymada. Cheese ensaymada. Let's try ensaymada here, guys. Dito pala nag-originate ang ensaymada. 14 years.
Wow. What can you say?
Sarap.
In the land of ensaymada?
Iba yung texture, tsaka may crunch. Basta iba. Sarap. I got 3, yung plain chocolate and then this one is crema. Hindi ko na alam yung presyo. Basta I paid 10 euros for the 3 ensaymadas. Ay, almost 630 pesos sa 3 ensaymada. Malaki naman kasi. Kasi laki ng mukha ko. Mahilig ako sa ensaymada, kahit sa atin ha. Hindi ko na-realize, yung ensaymada is coming from here. Ang laki ng influence sa atin ng mga Spanish, ano. Ang dami nating words na Spanish, pagkain, Spanish, na parang hindi mo agad-agad marirealize. Kasi ako yung unang batch sa college na wala ng Spanish na subject. Hindi ko na siya naabutan. So kung ano man yung alam kong Spanish, naririnig-rinig ko lang sa araw-araw. And also, hindi nyo na itatanong, si Mama, ang race ni Mama is Spanish. Kapag Pasko, may okasyong pumupunta kami sa mga kamag-anak ni Mother, Spanish yung usapan nila Mama. At saka ng mga kamag-anak niya, mga pininsan niya.
Talaga?
Pag pupunta kami, parang napapangangakan na lang. Medyo meron silang common denominator. Alam mo, bawat race, no, meron silang mga unique features, gano'n. Yung stop natin, next souvenir shop.
And those from Mallorca, they have a horrible enemy,
Enemy.
which is perfume.
Perfume, okay.
Because perfume has got a lot of alcohol.
Here we go to the souvenir shops. Ref magnets, a lot. Pag nagpa-perform sila ng flamenco dance, ito yung kanilang outfit. A lot of outfits. 1,650. Kapag ka dalawa, 11,95 na lang instead of 13. Tapos pag tatlo, ayan, oh, mas mura na. Keychain, mugs. Cute. 8 euros.
Buy something?
No?
Tayo bibili?
Ano gusto mo ba?
May gusto kong ibili.
So, ito rin is an evil eye, if despite the color is different.
But I like this kasi may parang kamay.
Ganda! Evil eye for the main door. Sasabit mo siya sa main door. Meron namang hindi din masyadong maraming evil eye kung gusto mo ganyan. Konti lang siya. Bibili na naman daw si Hazel ng bracelet na evil eye. Ang gusto ko naman ay keychain. Mallorca something. Ang gusto ko to. Because of the elephant. This is so cute. There's a lot of kamay. So cute stuff. Bet ba? Ang magandang yes na no. This is vlog. Ang cute na mga maliliit lang. Which one ba? This one or this one? Another popular dito sa Mallorca is mga pearls. Since madagat dito, marami silang pearls. Sightseeing bus, guys. Always a good idea na mag-avail niyan. Para you don't have to like, you know, think kung saan kayo pupunta, sakay baba lang. Kasi meron siyang route.
Kaya mo pa ba, be? Ayan, parmasya. Tamang-tama. Napkin.
Alala mo rin, Di.
Yung napkin. Napkin and chocolate for our friends on board.
Yes, ano brand ng chocolate?
Milka.
Parang Lululemon na. Ganda nito, B. Mga Lululemon. B, kailangan mo na ng kapalit. This is the one. Knitted, oh. Uy, 30 euros lang.
Parang mura nito, Mars.
Anak, ito yung maganda, oh. Panalo. Yung sinasabi sa'yo, oh. 60 euros lang, B.
Walang ganyan sa call.
Kaya nga, 60 lang. Love this one. This one also. Kaming magaganda, my gosh. This one as well. Cute. Mars, parang hindi mahal. Tama lang. Ganda nito, oh. Ganda nito, oh. Bed. Also good. Yes.
Perfect na sa snow sa Pyeongchang.
True, collagen. B, hindi mahal.
Mura dito.
Oh, 36 euros lang to, B. Oh, di ba?
And do you want the refund in card or cash?
Cash.
Cash?
We bought something here in Osho. It's a Spanish brand.
Yeah, it's the same like Zara, Massimo Dutti, the same one.
So, at the airport.
Yeah. Thank you.
Gracias. Spain! Gotta go buy Hazel's napkin here at the Farmacia. Napkin. Oh my God, ito. Ito na, pwede na to. Ultra Fit. 350, okay?
350, yeah.
In the bag also. Nakabili na. Okay, let's go to the bus. At baka maiwanan tayo because the crew is not yet over. Grabe guys, yung mga babae, ang gaganda. Alam mo yung mga mukha?
Perfecto.
Tapos ang ganda ng skin, namumula-mula, tapos close up pores.
Ang ganda ng vibe ng mga face. Happy yung vibe ng mga mukha kasi nila.
Oo, at saka ano, parang iba yung feels, no?
Parang ang sasaya nila.
Guys, yun nga tama nga sa mga tour guide namin in the past. Sabi nga nila, iba yung mga stylish. They really are happy and fun people.
Proud na proud sila doon.
Oo.
Fun sila.
Shinaping natin, may tax refund. Sabi ko, sa room, i-clean. Tapos sabi sa akin, cash or card? Cash, kasi mukha akong pera. Charot!
Ay, kinakash ba yun?
Pwede, pipiliin mo naman kung cash or card ang gusto mo eh.
Parang mas okay na cash.
Oo, kasi alam mo yung feeling ko, yung hindi na mababalik kasi hindi ko na mamamonitor kung kailan. Eh, yung cash, right there and there, pagkita nila sa akin, magbabayad sila, di ba? Okay, there you go. Nantay na kami.
Uy, hindi. Tayo nga una eh.
Excited na kumain ng tapas.
Bon appétit.
Caminadora sigue a donde va.
Mga patatas na pinasyado din. Carrots. Machado.
Machado?
Familiar taste. Taste like mechado natin, pero walang meat, puro gulay. meron silang nakitang grocery. Yeah. And they bought the popular chocolate here in this thing. Dami. Aking ihuhon. First things first, may binili silang Lind. Hindi ko naman alam kung bakit sila bumibili pa ng Lind. Pupunta naman tayo ng Switzerland.
That's for Madam, CZ and Madam.
Okay, Madam. Wow! Ang June. Talagang kakarin niya.
Ang Spanish
Ang
latte.
kanyang Spanish latte. Bibit-bitin niya from Spain to Manila. We have here Milka na Chips Ahoy. Well, bagong-bago to sa akin na. Hindi ako aware na popular yung Milka dito. And then, we have Milka Oreo. Meron naman
Milka
dito,
pala, isa chocolate brand ng Spain.
there's white Oreo naman. Ayan. And then, may mga wafers pa. Okay, wow. Choco wafer. Ang cute. Love it.
And these are all gifts for our friends on
On board.
board.
Oo, medyo madami sila doon. And then, we have here the plain Milka. Oreo na brownie. Lahat ng chocolates, guys, it's just 63 euros. Which means like 6 times 6, 36. So, 63. Tas may butal pa. So, sabihin na natin 4,000 to lahat. There's extra Oreo. Let's try this. Yes, mabango. Nice. Masarap.
A gozar, mi gente. Ay, qué rico.
Another Shorex done, and this is the last Shorex, guys. So, last look of Mallorca. Today is our last night. Nakasad na din ako. Nakakasad. Siyempre, 90s ba naman tayo? Last look. Just a little bit of everything. Having aglio olio and fish. Parang grilled na fish. You know me, guys, I love soup. Alam ko sarap. How's your food?
Good, very good.
Papaalam na po si Cap. Etong ating ship na Norwegian Escape is going back to its hometown in Miami. At doon daw po sila magsisail in the next 2 years. In the next round of Mediterranean cruise, ibang ship naman.
Yes, and feeling ko, dun sa next, nandun tayo.
True.
Claiming it! Walang masamang mag-manifest! Nandun tayo sa Alaska.
Alaskan cruise naman.
Gusto ko lang magdrama ng very, very light. Lagi ko to talaga naririnig sa nanay ko. Nung nagpo-cruise kami, nung bata pa ako, sinasabi niya, wala pa to. Ang dream natin is Mediterranean cruise, mga Caribbean cruise. Parang ako, ang sarap pakinggan ng Mediterranean cruise. Pero, never will I ever imagine na we'll be here in the Mediterranean Sea, sailing, cruising.
Pero yun na nga, it's about to end. Tonight is our last night.
Yes.
Pagising namin bukas, disembark na po tayo. Back in Barcelona, Espanya. Definitely, I want to eat that particular paella.
Saan?
Doon
Sa food
nga!
court?
Oo!
Hindi siya makamove on doon, guys.
Hindi ako makamove on talaga, the best paella na nakain ko, ha. To
Masasabi
think,
ko lang.
nandoon siya sa food court. It's the one who cooks, si Lolo B.
I'm sad to leave this place. It's been my home. Been our home for the last 9 days. And guys, alam niyo yung na-feel ko talaga. Nakakalungkot talaga ang goodbyes. Alam niyo talaga nung bata ako. Lumaluha ako sa may window ng plane.
Hindi ko napapansin.
Iyakin talaga ako. Nalulungkot ako. Nagdadrama-drama ako doon. Nasisenti ako. Ngayon, it's another kind of sentimental. And itataga ko to sa life. Gusto ko to ma-experience ulit. It's something that everyone,
Has to experience.
yes, ima-manifest natin yan for everyone on board!
All aboard, please!
Grabe, mami, nakapunta tayo sa Mediterranean.
Diba? Hindi ko kalahati.
Mediterranean
Sabi ko sa'yo,
Sea is over there.
Bigla-bigla na lang magigising na lang kayo sa isang umaga, yung inyong pangarap ay matutupad na.
Manifesting and a little bit of working hard.
Yes.
Faith, trust, and pixie dust.
So we have a spa reservation at 5 o'clock, which is 5 minutes from now. Taking advantage of the last day to do all the things na hindi namin nagawa the past days. Well, sayang sayang nandito na din tayo, di ba? Might as well experience everything. Hindi naman tayo maya mag-cruise, di ba? Malay mo next year na uli. Tapos ibang cruise naman.
Well, maybe we can do some Sydney cruise or maybe some Alaskan cruise.
Gusto ko yung yung kanilang Norwegian Aqua.
Ako gusto ko si Norwegian Luna. May gusto rin si June.
Ano?
Si Norwegian Viva. Kasi si Viva may parang racing track.
Ay, talaga?
Yes.
Actually, guys, meron silang presentation. Tapos nilatag nila yung lahat ng ship nila. As in, hindi pa ito yung pinakamalaki. Meron pang mas. At meron pa silang bagong padating na naka-pipeline. 2026 and even 2027, 2028, talagang yung kanilang vision is very forward-looking. Which means to say that there will be more cruising coming up next. Charot. Ano ba kayo? Hindi na kayo nasanay sa mami nyo. Kailangan talaga, alam niyo yun. Hindi na nga manifesting. Alam niyo yun, yung parang ina-attract nyo. Mina-magnet nyo gano'n. Malaki ha. We are about to start the massage. So we get the relaxation package, which is just an hour. But it's a combination of scalp, head and shoulder. Tapos meron ding arm and hands, foot and ankle. Meron din siyang eye mask included. Pero gusto ko lang matry din yung spa dito. Done on my treatment. Meron pa silang pagganto home regimen. Sarap, nakatulog ako. Na-relax ako. Ang tagal ko na rin hindi nagpapa-massage. This is the thermal suite. Itutur ko kayo guys. So, ayan. Meron sila dito mga towel, water, and fruits. So, a lot of lounge chairs. And then dito may hot tub. Ito yung mga ganito. Kasi nakaka-relax to.
Ito, ang ganda pa naman ng view mo, overlooking.
Lalo na guys, kapag umaga, kita mo yan. See yan.
Hello everyone. Galing namin, meron kaming access dito 2 beses. Alain mong in-access namin sa huling araw na
Hapit on the last day.
very busy last day of the cruise because later we have dinner and then next we have a show to catch.
The other day, we did nothing.
Yes.
Hindi naman wala. It's just that meron din. Pero alam mo yon, sometimes you really need to be like pressed with time so that you can do a lot of things.
Yes.
English yun
Cramming,
diba?
in short.
Yes. We are expert in cramming. Especially yung mga taga-UP, yung gagaling sa cramming.
Bakit naman parang may ebas dito ang person? Towels imported from Turkey. And Turkey imported from Spain. Iced tea imported from England. Lifeguard imported from Spain.
Tea harvested from the high mountains of Somalia. And they dried in New England. Charot.
Yeah. Ang ganda nga ng red. You are glowing in red. Red is your color. Nakaka-relax dito. Sana nung time na nagkasakit ka dito ka nagpahinga na.
Hindi, at saka sana ng mga earlier time pa para naulit natin ng 2 beses man lang.
Kaya,
Kasi ito, it has therapeutic effect.
from the high mountains of Majorca. Lakas ng tama.
So let's do this salt bath. Yeah. Diba?
Peaceful.
Sobrang genie. Relaxing music. Parang music or like sleep.
This is the snow.
Yung bunod-bunod at mga labas yung snow.
Dapat ba naka-snow boots dito?
Hindi naman, oo. Basically, this is the refrigerator. It's cold. The cold never bothered me anyway. Tonight's dinner is steak. We will have it at the specialty dining sa Cadnis Steakhouse.
because it's Dallas' favorite. Actually, ang sarap din ni tapas.
Lahat masarap, bibila ako masasabi.
Ay, sila Cucina is also nice.
Oo. Kung magta-top 3 ako, I would go for teppanyaki, churrascaria, at saka sila Cucina.
Wait ka lang. Hindi pa tayo tapos.
Hindi pa tayo tapos kay Bayamo. Baka ito na talaga ang number 1. Okay, so we go down. Eats. We are here at Cagnis. Nakinulid ay 16 ounce. I am thinking between slow roasted prime rib or rib eye.
So for the dining package, you can have 1 appetizer, 1 main course, and then 2 side dishes. Aside from the lobster tail, there will be an upcharge. Yeah.
Ano yan? Wow. This is the blue cheese keme-keme. Wow. This is Hazel's order. Ito yung kanyang appetizer. What's the name, anak? Ano pangalan?
Jumbo shrimp.
Jumbo shrimp trio. Hazel's order, onion soup. Yung order namin, iba-iba. Tapos, tinitikman namin para matikman mo lahat. It's have a taste of their onion soup. Mahilig ako sa onion, pero hindi ako into onion soup. Mas gusto ko yung mga chowder. Ito kasi parang ano to eh. Dalawang klase yung soup, di ba? Isang mga parang consomme at saka isang chowder.
Consomme.
Oo, yung
consomme.
Hindi yung consomme kasi yun yung malabnaw, yung clear yung soup. Parang mga ganito. Yung mga chowder, mga creamy. Nice naman kasi bagong luto.
Sarap. Hindi ko alam but I love onion soup.
Surf and turf po. Medium well din po.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Please enjoy po.
Yes, thank you. Wow, ang dami. Yes, salamat po. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilalagay itong Angus beef sa tiyan ko. Sobrang laki. Meron pa akong side dish. Truffle mashed potato and garlic mushroom. Sarap ng may taba. The best steak I've had in my life. Sobrang tender, sobrang juicy. Perfect. What's this? All good. Sarap ng mga gilid-gilid eh. Grabe, ang lambot oh. Ang kapal-kapal to sa lambot. Parang nagiging corned beef na.
Meron po tayong paper para sa paper. Meron tayo sa plastic para sa plastic. Yun na.
This movie reverts the negative perception of New York City and the...
Hanggang 9:30 pala sila.
That my heart lightens for hours when I'm laid to my rest.
Wow, may bowling pala dito. Guys, ang ganda nito. Sayang, sana nakapag-bowling kami. Ito rin, oh. Magic. Good morning!
Annyeonghaseyo, yorobun!
Back in Barcelona. So sad.
Yes, ayaw nga namin umalis eh. Pinapalis na. Tinatawag na ang isa-isa.
Sabi namin, wait lang, we're still
feeling it.
Yes, and enjoying the last few minutes.
Well, it's nice to be back in Barcelona.
Yes, we started here and then dito rin kami nag-end. All aboard, please! Charot.
Ngayon, all out and about,
sabi
please.
ng captain, yes. Anong all aboard?
All out.
All out of the ship, please! Okay, guys.
Please disembark now, Heidi and Hazel.
Mga cruise necks.
Yes.
So, if you avail of the cruise necks, unlimited yung mga options mo to avail lahat ng route ng NCL.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I have to say, kapag na-try mo mag-cruise, guys, maa-add din kang i-try din yung ibang ship nila. Kasi may isang ship, guys, na may cartwheel sa taas ng ship.
Yes,
My
diba?
God. Pwedeng mag-racing ang mga people.
Actually, yun ang ano ko eh. Yun ang target ko next. Kasi parang meron din akong side dream na maging car racer. Charot!
Lakas ng trip.
Diyan ba yung mga lumilipad-lipad na yun? Okay, bye-bye!
No, it's never goodbye. It's only hasta la vista.
Hasta la vista!
It's hasta la vista
And
is
see you again.
see you soon.
In Spanish.
Hasta la vista, baby!
Hasta la vista, LCL! Yan rin ba yan? What about those for 3 packs B? Maleta is Spanish.
Talaga?
I would think yes. Maleta.
Wait lang, let me check.
Luggage in English. Pagka Tagalog kaya, ano kayang pangalan niya?
So, you need to put luggage tags. Dapat ilulusot mo muna bago mo tatanggalin yung sticker. First, there, lulusot mo muna.
You're going now?
Yes.
Yes, boy. See you soon.
I'm gonna watch you then.
Oh, yeah. Enjoy Miami.
See.
Ang pangit, hindi pala ganun.
Ganyan. May mga bagay talaga na hindi para sa atin. At least, ngayon alam mo na may mga hindi ka kayang gawin.
Yeah.
Hindi mo nga tatanggalin, ilulusot mo muna.
Ilulusot ko muna. Okay. Like this. Okay, like this. And then, saka mo siya ipipil off.
Oo, tapos saka mo ididikit yung kabilang dulo.
Saka mo ididikit yung kabilang dulo.
Wala kang tatanggal sa kabilang dulo, be.
Okay, ganito.
Oh, yes, be.
Wala na tatanggalin?
Wala na po.
Nakata ko may tatanggalin pa isa. Minsan di tatanggalin yung kabila. You know, guys, sometimes it
Love
takes
just
time.
ain't enough.
No, it takes time to learn something. May dahilan eh. Siyempre, kailangan may lusot. Kaya ano naman tanggapin ko na ng tanga ko dito.
Hindi mo tatanggaping engot ka.
Oo, dapat lagi kang may reasoning.
Lagi kang magaling. Charing lang.
Dapat, there is always a logical reasoning behind all those things. I cannot do everything. I'm so good at most.
Guys, joke lang ha. Baka naman seryoso.
Chika ko lang kayo. Diyos me naman, hindi na kayo nasanay sa mami Heidi nyo. Hanggang ngayon ba naman, hindi niyo pa ako nag-gets? Dapat nga, kahit hindi na ako magsalita, gets na gets nyo na.
O, diba? Wow, marunong ka na. Congratulations.
Like this, you know. You know, I told you guys, there's always a learning curve in everything you do. And then, after a while, you know, everything comes naturally. Like, you just live, you just eat, you know.
Lakas ang tama niya, guys. Huwag niyo nang pakinggan yan.
We need to start the day right because today is the start of another work. While our cruise has ended, another work begins. That's always the life cycle. Diba? Pag may nagsasara, meron namang nagbubukas. Kaya huwag kayong malulungkot kapag may mga instances na yung mga wishes nyo, yung mga dreams nyo, hindi nag-materialize as you wanted it to be. Diba? Sometimes there's a better door that is coming, better opportunities, better, you know.
Sometimes I run.
Sometimes I run.
Sometimes. Sometimes I'm scared.
Say hi to our cruise director, Jack, the ever hardworking.
Yeah,
Take care, bye-bye.
Always hearing his voice. This is Jack, your cruise director. Jack Energy. Bye-bye.